Growing tomatoes from tomato slices can be a fun and rewarding experience. So all you need to do is take a healthy tomato which should not be rotten and slice it into pieces. Then prepare the soil. Take peat moss. Here I am taking peat moss, but you can also take compost and mix it in the soil very well. So next, place the tomato slices on the soil and then cover the slices with a thin layer of soil. Here I have placed all my tomatoes and covered them with soil. So don't forget to water the soil, but don't overwater them. Tomatoes need direct sunlight for at least 6 hours to grow properly. In most regions, the most likely time to grow tomatoes is during the months of summer or spring.